Okay, good morning, children. Today I am going to take the poem about the Coromandel fishes. Coromandel fishes. Here, very beautiful one. They are comparing whole nature like the human beings. Okay, ma? So you listen carefully. Rise, brothers, rise. The waiting skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the kings of the sea. The fishermen were saying something about how to they go for the fishing. Here, what they're calling first one, rise brothers, rise, get up brothers, get up. My dear brothers, don't sleep. This is the time to for fishing. Rise brothers, rise. The awakening skies pray to the morning light. Sky throughout night the sky looks dark. Now the sky also got up and praying to the God. So rise brothers, rise. Already day came. Like the fishermen were calling to all the friends. The wind lies asleep. The wind compared to the child. The child throughout night when they cried, morning they're going to sleep nicely, happily. Like that here also. The wind lies asleep in the arms of like the mother. The wind was sleeping in the arms of the dawn. Dawn means early morning, first light. The birds are singing the song early morning. At that time you are sleeping. The morning, the birds and crow and hen all are giving the sound. That is the praying to the God. Oh God, you given the first light. Like that, they are going to pray. Here also, what the fisherman saying, the wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child. The wind compared to the child, like a child. It's cried all night like the child. How she will cry, he will cry all night and morning going to sleep. Like the wind also crying all night like a child. Now it was sleeping in the arms of the dawn, arms of the dawn, arms of the first light. And early morning the wind is sleeping. We won't get any trouble. When they go for fishing, they will see the weather also. Now they're saying morning there was no disturbance. We can go for fishing. Please rise brothers, rise. And then again third line, come. Be hurry, don't be lazy. Come, let us be hurry. You go and free the boat. You take the boat, you gather the boat, you gather the nets. Like that, they were calling. Then let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free. Catamaran is the small type of the boat which were going to use for the fishing. Please, you go and set the catamaran free. You gather the net while you go to the sea. Why? Because the weather is good. The wind is sleeping. Already sky also praying to God. This is the time. We have no trouble. We won't face any problem. Like that, the fisherman saying last line, to capture the leaping wealth of the tide. Have you seen the tides? In social studies, you learn this. You heard this word. Tides mean going up and down like this. No, when they are going like this, it will be just like a foam. The tides are looking like a foam. What the fisherman is saying, to capture the leaping means jumping the tide of the wealth. Wealth means where there is more, where there is a water more, they'll get the more fish. That is a wealth. That is the wealth of the fisherman. So already wind is sleeping. There was no problem. The weather also good. Get up. You take the net. You gather the net. So the wealth of the tide. The wealth was there. That is ours only. Then, for we are the kings of the sea. We are the kings of the sea. Why? Because that is the wealth is there. We want to take that wealth. So we are the kings. Like that, this fisherman raising the friends and get up. Already dawn is there, the sky is praying to God. You gather the net and take the catamaran and boat. Will go and take the wealth of the tide. Where the tides are more, they'll get the more fishes there. So that is there. That is the place. They have to go and take the, well, we are the kings of the sea. Like that, the fisherman saying. The second stanza, no longer delay. Don't delay. Don't hurry. Don't be lazy, but get up fast, quick. Like that, the man saying, don't delay. Let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. Gull is the seabird, where the seabirds are going. We have to follow that. Why? Because the seagulls are where the tides are going far, they'll get the more fishes. That is the foot of the seagull. So they are watching the seagull. Where the seagull is going, we have to follow that. There are the wealthy. There is a wealthy. So we have to be ready. Don't delay. Like that, the man saying, the sea is our mother. Mother will give the protection. The sea is our mother. How nicely they are comparing. Mother never disturbs you. The wealth is there. We are the sons of the children of the sea. So sea is our mother. The cloud is our brother. The cloud also not giving the problem. The cloud is our brother. Brothers will give the direction. Brother will give the way where we have to go. Sea is our mother. Cloud is our brother. The waves are our comrades. Waves are our comrades. Comrades means a friend. So everything will be there. Sea is our mother, clouds are our brother, and waves are our friend. No one should give the problem to us. So you be ready, don't be lazy. You gather the net and go for fishing. The wealth is there. You have to follow the seagulls, seabirds. Like that, the man saying, although we lost the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god rests. Sometimes when they go in the middle, sometimes unexpectedly they may face problem. Though will face the problem, the sea god is driving. The sea god is driving. So the fishermen, before going, maybe they worship the sea, because no one should give the problem. We'll be happy, we'll be safe, don't give the problem. Like that, maybe they will be worshipping. So third line, what though we toss the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea god to drive. The sea god to drive. Why? Because sea is our mother. Mother will give the protection. Though we are in difficulty, though we are in problem, sea god gives the protection. Don't bother. He who holds the storm by the hand will hide in the breast of our life. She'll keep our lives in the breast. So she won't give the problem. Who is the she here? She is our mother. Though we are in problem, our sea god drives us in safely. He'll keep in the breast. Like that, the fisherman saying, last line, sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove. Maybe around the sea there are the coconut trees and the mango tree. These trees, fruits are giving the nice smell. Then, and sweet are the sands at the full of the moon. When the full moon, when you go near the sea at the time of the full moon, the sand also will be the very pleasant one. So they comparing, they are feeling like that. The sands at the full moon with the sound of the voice. So what is the sound? The wave sound. No, that only will get. You won't get any sound. The waves of the sound we love, but sweeter. There's a comparative degree. Sweeter. Oh brother, the kiss of the spray. So whenever the sea water is sprinkling like this, they are feeling the kiss of the spray, like the spray. When they sat on the sand, they are feeling the sprinkling of the water like a kiss, kiss. The spray and the dance of the wild foams glee. Glee means happy. When they are sitting on the sand, they feel so happy. Because the sand is giving the pleasant smell and the water is falling on the faces. They are feeling very happily. Then rise, row, brothers. Now the edge of the verge. Verge means an edge. They have to go. Row, brothers, row. Rowing the boat. Row. Don't afraid. Sea is our mother. Don't afraid. We'll get more wealth. The wealth is the fish. So fishermen living, their livelihood is the fishing. So they will take the fishes, that is a well, we are the sons of the God. Though we are in the difficulty, you won't get any problem. Like that, the fisherman saying to the brothers. And once again, I'll read the poem. All of you see. Rise, brothers, rise, the awakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tide, for we are the kings of the God. No longer delay, let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the clouds is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, wave the hand of the sea god dry. He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sands and the full of the moon with the sound of the voice we love. But sweeter, oh brother, the kiss of the spray and dance of the wild foam to gleam. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the world where the low sky mates with the sea. Mate means friend. Schoolmate, benchmate, like that. The sky mate. The sky also our friend. So we won't get any problem. Rise, brothers, rise, like that. The fisherman calling the brothers to go for the fishing. Like that, they are comparing with the nature. All brother, mother, friends, like that. They were feeling and going happily to catch the fishes. This is the written by the Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu bio sketch also here they gave. So while you are writing the meaning, first you write the author, then write the meaning. If there are the rhyming words, you find it and write down in the class book. Okay, ma? Have you understood? Bye.